which is a concept that can be taught with fun and playful activities. Math is a building block, and it is very important to have an understanding of concrete math skills and know how to solve problems with a systematic formula to be able to move on and learn new material. Using the amazing resources that technology has provided us, math has never been more exciting to learn. Giving our youth such encouraging and different ways to learn and practice math will have a better impact on understanding and applying the math they have learned. Math is standing out that in kindergarten is promoting future achievement. In my unit, the students should have already mastered counting and identifying numbers 1 through 100. Moving forward, the main goal of this unit is to introduce and teach the students addition and understanding multiple concepts of factoring through a variety of mediums. These mediums will include technology, gaming, math talk, math centers, and a performing task. The students will be able to look back and see their progress over time. This unit complies with California Common Core state standards, the domain, operations, and algebraic thinking. This unit also complies with ISTE Standard 2, Digital Citizen, ISTE Standard 4, Innovative Designer, and ISTE Standard 6, Creative Communicator.
Slap your knees and pat the floor. Slap your knees and pat the floor. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Sound off. 1, 2. Sound off. 3, 4. Sound.
The unit will start off introducing addition, where the interpersonal and visual learner will do best because I will show the class terms and symbols they'll need to know, and they are to copy it down using their iPads on the Evernote app. I will ask the students why they think they need to know how to add, and they'll really hit the spot in the interpersonals because they get to know the why behind what I am teaching them. I will then show them a video on YouTube of why they need to learn math. This unit is divided into 2 parts. The first part is adding 1 through 5, and then the second part would be adding the numbers 6 through 9. The fun part of the unit is when we get to sing and dance, playing catchy songs such as the song playing behind this video by Heidi, the Addition Double Song, or playing songs on YouTube, Double Doubles, I Can Sing Doubles. Relating music with math is creating a learning environment for those that learn best through music. The next activity would be for the bodily kinesthetic learners. This is where they get to use teddy bear counters. The students are able to touch and feel the objects to add to get to a solution. During this activity, the interpersonal learners would enjoy it too because they get to work in groups. They basically take 2 colors and say the teacher says, hey, grab 2 blue and grab 1 red. Well, 2 blue plus 1 red equals 3. And then there's one person that records this on their iPad on Microsoft Word, and they have to make sure that the number is 55 the size because they have to show it to the class, and whoever gets the answer first wins. When it comes to independent practice, logical learners would benefit from this activity. It's individual work on their Chromebooks on the website IXL Learning Inc. They can use their teddy bear counters if it helps them by touching an object or what so, but they do not have to. Other websites that would be great for these type of learners would be coolmath.com, Motion Math, just interactive games online. To save class time, QR codes are great. If you have them printed out on the student's desk, they just have to scan it and they'll be right on the websites when they use their iPads. The next activity that will be incorporated in the unit would be for visual and verbal learners. It's called Mind Minister. You create a web map of addition with the numbers 1 through 10 or 1 through 9. Each bubble will show how many ways you can make the same number. For example, 5 will be the main bubble, and off the main bubble, you'll be having 2 numbers that would be adding to 5. For example, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 0, and 0 plus 5. Within this, you're going to call on the students, and this is where the verbal learners come in because you're going to ask them to help you fill in the web, and them talking will get them going. So the students are to observe the common number and see how to write the opposite number. Throughout the unit, there will be centers each week, and the centers consist of 3 stations. Each station will be focusing on one MI.
Sound off, sound off.
www.tuxpaint.org and draw a picture of their own bear. As a class, they'll create math problems such as 1 ear plus 1 ear equals 2 ears. The teacher will provide the terms like legs and eyes, nose, tail, and etc. Basically, the Fridays will incorporate other subjects such as this week they'll be learning about bears, so black bears, polar bears, and they get to pick which bear they drew and give it a name. This unit has been designed to meet the needs of all learners by using Gardner's MI theory in different activities where they are cognitively challenged. Technology is a big part of this unit where students want to learn because that math problem will now get that fish to the next level.